Hi, I'm Pete, and I'm here to introduce you to the 3M product range. At 3M, we are passionate about innovation, especially when it comes to making high-quality respirators that workers not only need to wear, but want to wear. The 3M welding fume respirators provide lightweight and comfortable protection against dust, mist, metal fumes and ozone. To protect you from such hazards, the mask has been developed with a robust shell and cup design that is collapse resistant and includes flame retardant material to minimize the effect of welding spatter. The common problem of misty eyewear is greatly reduced thanks to our sophisticated 3M cool flow valve that efficiently removes heat buildup, giving you a cooler and more comfortable wear. Our 3M welding fume respirators have also been developed with a carbon layer that provides protection against ozone gas as well as relief from nuisance level odours. And exclusively for the 3M 9928 welding fume model, we've added a cleanable, soft inner face seal ring for extra durability and comfort. The 3M welding fume respirators are often the essential choice for welders. With its robust shell, cool flow valve technology, carbon layer and inner face seal option, you can rely on the 3M welding fume respirators to provide exceptional comfort and protection in your workplace. The 3M welding fume respirators, offering comfort without compromise.